Okay, so this is one of the WaveRunners that I just picked up. As you can tell, it's been sitting outside for a while. Don't know too much about it. I do know it is the 700 and it's a 94. There's actually another one that I'm going to go pick up. It's just like this. It was a pair. I threw a battery on it while I was there. They both turned over really nice. Gas smells like it's probably 5+ years old, so we're gonna go ahead and throw some water on it, get it kind of washed out. Engine. It's actually pretty clean in here. Yeah, it's not too bad. More pressure washing on all this and we'll go from there. Alright, so I just got done pressure washing it. You know, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's all I want to do right now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this open and get these tanks drained because the gas is probably about 6-7 years old. So I'm going to pop these off and we'll use a little siphon pump and we'll go from there. Alright, let's check out and see what...
He's running after my boobs. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Ugh, it smells so bad. Okay guys, we got it flowing. And oh my gosh, it smells horrible. So, let's let that go. That was a huge tree in my woods that just fell. The line goes a different color when I push. Oh. Well, not sure what that means. But we are about to have to maybe pull out. Man. This is like, oh. Alright, we're gonna have to go a step further. The tank has just so much stuff, and then also the chain is sitting in the bottom. Yeah, it's just got a pile of sludge down there. The last thing I want is that flushing through everything after I get it clean. So we will figure something out. We're definitely gonna have to take this side off, possibly just the whole tank out. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm basically just flushing the tank out without taking it out. It was just going to be so difficult to pull it all out, and I just decided to basically lean the jet ski back and flush it out manually like this, and it seems to be working pretty good. So I'll definitely report back. Alright guys, tank is definitely good now. Let's see if I can... Oh yeah, you can't get any cleaner than this. We're just gonna wipe it up. Alright, I got it pretty much dried up. I'm gonna leave some of these in here, especially while I take it off this trailer because I gotta go get the other jet ski. So I'm gonna put this down on this pallet. That'll probably be the best. Alright guys, here's the second of the two WaveRunners. pretty similar to the other one. It just needs a good pressure wash, which I'm about to do. This one looks like it does have registration from 2016. Pretty sure that's like a 3-year registration, so it might be from being on the water in 2000. I don't know. Alright guys, so I have not touched this jet ski at all. I looked at it briefly in the dark because these were both sitting out in a field, pretty much. So yeah, let's get her cleaned up and let's just see what's up. I guess somebody was enjoying the ski the last couple of years. Battery box looks pretty good. What's looking like underneath here. Okay, looking pretty clean. Fuel lines look like they've been replaced in the last couple of years. Yeah. Tank looks like it's got a pretty good amount of gas in it. Ugh. So, yeah. Guys, well, today's the day. We're gonna see if this one runs. Bought 2 spark plugs for it. So alright, we cleared up some room. Now all we gotta do is start tearing her down and get into her. Time to probably take a look at this carb, which is pretty stuck on there, it looks. Alright, let's get these gas lines off before we just try and pop it off with some starter fluid. Just because I don't want to suck any of that old gas in here. Alright, so we're definitely having some type of an electrical problem. I've been going through and testing the voltage on everything, and all this came out good. There's just no spark, pretty much, so we're gonna have to dig into the box and figure out from here. Hopefully it's not a... I have no clue what I'm looking at. Alright guys, I think I'm just overthinking this whole spark issue. I think the best thing to do, well, We know this one's getting sparked. I tested on the voltmeter, and this one's getting sparked as it should. This one's not getting sparked. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, we're just gonna basically bring this whole unit from that one to this one and try it out. Alright, well I finally got that out. Made sure I got it all right. But then again, it could be all wrong because it wasn't working. Next thing I want to tackle is the carburetor. You can definitely see where it was sitting in this for a while. I'm pretty sure these jets are gonna look too good. Actually, it looks pretty good. So yeah guys, it definitely has some dirt in here. So it's a good thing I tore it apart. I mean, it's relatively clean, but I don't know. This diaphragm, which was honestly probably a good thing. Alright, I got the carb rebuild kit right here. I'm gonna pull all the old gaskets and everything off, give it a spray with some CRC carb clean, and put it back together. Alright, carburetor's back in, throttle and chokes hooked back up. All I want to do now is check this out a little further. We got a runner. There's one last thing I have to do, and that is the steering cable. Right here. That piece is damaged on this one. But this one has a good one. So we're going to take the one out of that, put it in this, because that jet ski is in worse shape. Yeah, so that's the issue right there. It's got a huge kink in it. There you go. We need right here this arm. If you notice, it will so we need this arm shaft pretty much from there all the way back to put on this other one because it's bent. So let's pull it off. Alright, finally got this cable pulled out, about to take it off the hood and then put the new cable in. I'm going to take the steering column off the other one. Part of the reason the steering column was broke on this one was because I think something's bent about all this, because I measured it all the way to the right and then all the way to the left, and it doesn't match up correctly, and that one does. So I'm just going to pop this one off, replace it with the parts one, and go from there.